Hello and welcome to today's video on how to set up OpenVPN with TryHackMe. Now this is one that gets a few beginners, but we're going to dive straight in, and I'm opening Firefox because we need to visit tryhackme.com. So let's just load Firefox. Make sure your internet connection on here allows internet access. So I'm just going to tryhackme.com. As you can see, I've gone to the main dashboard because I just had to log in. So now, instead of that, we want to change this to access. And this takes us to where we can go and download the VPN file. Just give this a moment to load. And as you can see, we've come to this. So now we want OpenVPN Advanced because you want to connect your Kali device or your Linux device, whatever you're using, to the TryHackMe network. So now we need to set this up. If you scroll down, we'll see this. For now, you don't care about networks. What you do care about is this. This allows us to download a free VPN file so that we can use OpenVPN to connect to the TryHackMe network and get going. So I'm just going to click download regular file. This, take a note of, it's very important. It will go green when we're connected. And as you can see, it's downloaded the VPN. So I'm just going to open up my Kali. One moment. And I'm going to go sudo downloads. And you want the name of your VPN file. So I'm just going to type that. It knows it. And of course you want the squiggle in front of there, don't you? I just need to change my keyboard. Sorry about that. So now you've done that, let's type OpenVPN here and click enter. And I'm just going to type my password for sudo. And as you can see, we get all of this. You don't need to understand any of this. I don't understand what a lot of this is. So I've just connected to the VPN. Let's reload this page. And as you can see, it's gone green, so we're connected. You are ready to start hacking. So now let's just prove this. We're going to prove this on our device. I'm opening a new tab here, and I'm going to type ifconfig. And as you can see, we've got F0, which we always have, and F1, which I also always have. These are my two available ones. One's a NAT network. This one's just my network at home. This one's localhost, but down here we have ton0. And this is basically your VPN connection. This is the, interface your VPN is connected to TryHackMe over. So I'll just show you. This is the internal IP address, and this is the one we have here. So we're on to the network, and you can go and start up a CTF. Just give me a moment. One moment. So I'm just finding a free CTF somewhere here. I'm going to start this one up. I'm just going to scroll down, and I'm going to start the lab machine, and I'll be back with you in 60 seconds because this is very slow. Okay, so we do have an IP address now. So let's just click that down. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to go ping. Please be one that actually does ping. And as you can see, we're connected to the TryHackMe network from our Linux device of choice. I hope this video has helped, and if it has, please drop a like and subscribe to support our channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope this helps you on your future endeavours with TryHackMe.